Hey guys, Harrison here from Tool Talk, and today on Tool Talk TV, we're going to be taking a look at the Estwing 20-ounce claw hammer. And stick around to the end of the video to see how you can be in with a chance of winning this very hammer. Well, let's take a look. So as we look at this hammer, there's not a lot to look at. It is just a hammer, and I know it's not just a hammer before you guys go crazy at me in the comments. This is a fine piece of American steel, forged from a single piece. We have got a vinyl grip for extra purchase when you're hammering those nails. The claw, obviously, bosh, you can pull out the nails, easy peasy. The balance, I've seen reviews about this hammer. The balance is supposed to be fantastic for a hammer. That means nothing to me, but you guys that understand the balance in a hammer will understand the value of a good hammer that has good balance. And just going back to the grip just for a second, it's actually a patented design that can reduce the vibrations up to 70%. So if you're hammering a lot of nails in a day, that vibration can get real uncomfortable real fast. So again, just a bonus there. And that's kind of everything that I can say about this hammer without embarrassing myself. So now for the main event of why you guys have tuned into this video. Not just to look at this awesome hammer, but you want to get your hands on this very hammer, just like I've got my hands on it. This could be you. This could be you holding this fantastically balanced Estwing hammer. How do you enter the competition, I hear you ask? That is a great question. So guys, in order to win this Estwing 20-ounce claw hammer, you need to do one simple thing. Estwing is a new brand over in Tool Talk, so we want to get some reviews for the brand and for our friends over at Estwing. So head over to Tool Talk, search for the Estwing brand, and leave a review for Estwing. We will pick a winner at random and announce that winner live over on our Tool Talk Facebook page on Friday the 13th of November. If you are watching this video after Friday the 13th of November, unfortunately you won't be able to win this tool, but please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more videos like this and competitions where you can win some awesome tools. If you're not already part of Tool Talk, what are you doing? It's a place where you can save money on the brands that you love. Just go over to your app store, search for Tool Talk, download the app, and join Tool Talk for free today.